Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change the distance preferences on Bumble PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface of Bumble once you have logged in, and initially, we just want to set the distance preferences. Right here on the screen, right next to this Bumble text on the left, you'll see something like filters. Simply click on it. Then you will see something like this. Here's I'm interested in, age range and distance. For now, we only want to change the distance preferences, but do note that you can change your interest and age preferences from here as well. I'm just gonna slide my distance preferences right here, and once everything's okay, I'm just gonna hit on apply. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your distance preferences in your Bumble profile PC. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.